Hello, what if you could take a capsule that has all the ingredients for your own wellness on a physical, mental, emotional level? Let me tell you this. I'm Vandana from New Zealand. I'm an Indian and live in New Zealand. I attended Dr. Monisha's holistic workshop in the Himalayas in May 2024. I was beautifully surprised with all the nuggets of information provided that gave me the capsule that I need to stay well within myself, both physically, emotionally and mentally. We had great medical information, we had practical knowledge, and I used a lot, maybe around 80%. I still use that information, and today I am walking the Camino, which is 820 kilometers walk in Spain, and it's all to do with the information given by Dr. Monisha for my wellness. Make sure you go and attend the next one. Thank you.